TEKIRO is the largest hand tool brand in Southeast Asia. The tools are developed to meet the demand of professional users that require high-quality products for their daily use. All tools are manufactured with high-quality standards and guaranteed to last for all users. With more than 20 years of continuous success and recognized as a professional tools brand, TEKIRO is now used in households, workshops, and big industries. In the year 2000, the TEKIRO brand was launched in Indonesia and immediately became an instant success. With a dominant 72% market share, the brand is seen almost everywhere. TEKIRO products are sold in three main market segments: hardware, automotive, and modern stores. The strong growth and expansion throughout Indonesia is a testament of trust towards the superior quality of TEKIRO hand tools. The superior quality of TEKIRO hand tools is the final product of a strict manufacturing process in accordance to international standards. Every piece of TEKIRO product would go through a complete manufacturing process from material selection, hot forging, heat treatment, knurling, lathing, plathing, to final quality check. All these processes are done in 70 manufacturing factories in Taiwan, China, Japan, and Indonesia. For the past 5 years, TEKIRO experienced rapid increase in production capacity and quality standards with good control over its own manufacturing facilities and close cooperation with other partners. Not resting on its laurels, TEKIRO continued to pursue product expansion, consistent quality improvement, and keeping defects to the minimum. TEKIRO will continue to grow and be the #1 choice of hand tools and will be a long-term thriving business for many. At present moment, TEKIRO can meet the demand of the market. With more than 2,000 assortment of hand tools, TEKIRO is able to fulfill the needs of many industries such as automotive, industrial, construction, household, oil and gas, power plant, aviation, and hobbyist. By providing quality professional hand tools at affordable prices, complete product assortments, and easy access in the market, it will realize its vision of being the leading global brand for hand tools soon. TEKIRO. Believe in your choice.